Hello, this is Sona Chaube. Welcome to my channel. So today I am sharing with you all my peanut cashew chikki recipe, which is very crunchy and delicious because I am sharing all tips and tricks in this video. So let's start this video with 1/4 cup of peanuts, 1/4 cup of cashew nuts, and now roast them for 1 to 2 minutes. Now it's been 2 minutes and skin of peanuts is starting separating. Now just remove all the skin of your peanuts and crush them with your hands. Now just grease your rolling board and rolling pin with ghee. So now take a pan, non-stick pan, and add half cup of sugar. Just stir this with your very light hands and just wait till the sugar starts melting. Now it's being 1 minute and it start melting here, and when it completely melts, now add 2 teaspoons of plain water to prevent the bitterness, the sticking and the burning of the chikki. Now just stir continuously, don't stop your hands here, just stir continuously till it settles. Now I am stirring here continuously and here it settles. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of ghee here, sorry, half teaspoon of ghee here. Just stir it continuously till bubbles come. Now here bubbles come, and then add 1/4 plus 1 pinch of baking soda here and stir this immediately and continuously. Now you can see the color changes here. Now immediately add your roasted nuts here. Now I have added all roasted nuts here and mix it well. Don't stop your hands here, mix it well. Just stir this continuously till it gathers. Mix it well, or when it gathers, just stop here and switch off the flame and mix it well, and immediately transfer on your plate or rolling board. Now scratch batter from your spatula. Now just try to make a shape when it lukewarm. So I am trying to give it a shape with the help of knife, and here I am using rolling pin to give it a shape. And here you can decide the thickness of your chikki. So I think it's a perfect, but now I think I have to do some more. So here I am just showing you all the thickness of my chikki. I think it's a perfect thickness for this. So just wait for half an hour or till it comes in room temperature. Just wait till after half an hour it settles now, and then you can make pieces as you desire. Now I am separating here and making pieces with the help of knife, and you can use pizza cutter here, and you can see the crunch of this chikki here. Now it's ready, so you can enjoy in this winter, in this Makar Sankranti, this kind of peanut cashew chikki, a very crunchy and tasty and delicious. Do try this recipe at your home once, you will love it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching my video. Thanks for watching.